That's one.
All right, that's one. Here he comes. He's going to check it out and make sure you did it right. How you doing, buddy? I wish I had some food for you. But that wouldn't be good, so you're going to have to go and forage. Can you?
He is foraging.
Yeah, for your food.
You are a food source.
Hi, this is Pete. Thanks for joining me. My friend Simon and I hiked up Humphreys Peak in Arizona in May 2025, and we encountered this dusky grouse multiple times as we worked our way up some switchbacks through the forested area. Here we are cresting the saddle just above the tree line, so let's go back down and check out this grouse. I don't know if we qualify. Forgot to, as usual, I forgot to turn the video on. God, I'm such a klutz with these. Okay, this is after he came right up to our feet practically. Look at that guy. Here he is joining us on the trail, leading us. Another group had passed us, so he's between the groups right now. Now you can see he's starting to cut up the hill. And what he's doing is he's working his way up to the next switchback where he would again meet us, stay with us for a bit, and then work his way up the next switchback 4 or 5 times. Here we are at another switchback. I'll just let this run a little bit so you can see his movements and behavior. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a male based on the way his head is moving along with his colors, but the way he bobs his head when he steps is, I believe, a male characteristic. Beautiful bird, kind of like a chicken, chicken of the mountains. Don't feed them and don't eat them if you can help it. Well, we sure did enjoy this hike and these encounters. We never made it to the peak. We almost made it, but it was more important to get back to the car. So, a great day and a great bird. Thanks.